Hey, what's up? If you just came here for how to reset the maintenance light, check it out. Alright, as you can see, it's going to say in a minute, alright, oil change required. That's what you don't want to see. Put the key in ignition, put it in key on, engine off. Hit the accelerator down 3 times in a row. Turn the key off, take it out, put it back in. I'll get it eventually. And boom, check it out. Maintenance light is gone. I just got you out of here real quick. If that's all you wanted to see, hit the like button on the way out. I'll do the oil change for everybody else. And here we go. This is the oil change. I'm not going to waste your time with a bunch of nonsense. I'm going to try to make this quick and get to the point. But first, I want to tell you about the time in 3rd grade where our teacher gave us way too much homework. I mean, I was doing homework till like 10 o'clock. What? Oh, you don't want to hear it? All right, fine. We'll just stick to the oil change. All right. If anybody wants to hear that story, you can put it in the comments. I'll tell you the whole story. It's pretty quick. Only takes about 30 minutes. All right, anyway. I like to use these ramps. Just get the car or the van out on the ramps. This is 2019 Dodge Promaster 1500 with the 3.6 engine. Of course, the first thing you want to do is take off the cap. I like to put it there so I won't forget. All right, 13mm socket, and let's get under there and take out the oil plug. It's pretty much under there. You could probably squeeze under there, but I like to put it on ramps. Boom, go ahead and take it out. And there we go. 24mm silo shock at 3/8 drive. I got this from Movix Tools or something. It was on Amazon. It's 24mm. The first oil change I did, I found this part difficult because there's not that much space, so I ordered the right tool. You could use like some pliers or something, but that's a plastic cap. And if you're doing a lot of oil change, it'll eventually round off the edges if you don't have the right tool. So I went and ordered the right one. It was like 10 bucks or something. You probably want to put a rag down there. I got dripped a little oil. Make sure the oil filter is the right size. I got mine from the FCA dealership directly. I'm going to go ahead and take off this oil ring because they give you a new one, so you might as well use it. There we go. You can just slide that right on there. This is a pretty easy oil change. But only thing is that little tool helps you. That's the only thing that's hard about it. So, yeah, put that on. This is actual speed. I'm very fast, as you can see. I'm like a ninja. All right, so there we go. Tighten it down. See, it's not that much room in there. So if you use a regular size socket, you're going to have to move that air filter out the way, and it doesn't fit that well. So yeah, put that back on. Again, this is actual speed, people. I am amazing at oil changes. All right, there we go. 5.9 quarts, 3.6 liter engine. I like to use a funnel. If you don't use a funnel, you're going to get oil all over the place. So I was the first one actually to ever use a funnel. Yeah, that's a fact. You can look that up on Wikipedia. So yeah, there we go. Boom, 5W20 full synthetic. Go ahead and put that in there. And don't forget to put the cap back on. Very important. Even Michelle knows that. And don't forget to close the hood. Okay. I'm just kind of walking you through it. When you open the door, don't forget to close it before you get down off the ramps. Very important. Okay, there we go. See, I closed the door first. All right. I'll do the oil light reset again for you if you missed it at the beginning. Boom, as you can see, it says oil change required. Okay, so put it in there. Don't start it, but key on 1, 2, 3 on the accelerator. Boom, take the key out. I'm gonna go ahead and put the key back in just to show you that it worked. Go ahead and start. And look, no more message, okay? So congratulations, you just changed the oil. Everybody is so excited. Have a good one.